Hello, everyone. I'm Josh Ochs, and I'm honored to have Gina, Maddie, and Sam. And we just built websites for Maddie and Sam. Maddie, you're a freshman, and Sam, you're a senior. And I'm so proud of you two because you both have awesome little resume websites that you've gotten started on. Maddie, how does it feel as a freshman to have the format of your website started?
I think it definitely makes me feel a lot more confident going into high school, kind of knowing my path and kind of the freedom and the excitement to kind of add on to it as I go.
Yeah. Sam, how do you feel? Now you're a senior and you got you got all these great things going. How does it feel to put your projects online?
It feels really cool for me because I'm graduating and I want colleges and future employers to know who I am and to see what I've done. And it's fun walking down memory lane, looking at everything I've done. So
I'm especially proud of you because you created your senior thesis, which was all about medical ethics and ethics in the medical field. And then we had an aha moment because all that hard work that you did is your work, and you're going to share it on your site, which is so cool. You're going to be able to show people, here's my hard work and my thought, and you can link to all the sources. And I'm pumped about that. It'll be 15 pages. And as an employer and a college, I would be impressed because I don't think anybody's putting their senior thesis online, right? Now, Maddie, you produce music, right, as a freshman. How are you going to showcase that on your site? What did we come up with?
So I'm going to put some of my music on SoundCloud and then embed the link in my website so that my music, they'll be able to play it like on my music page and, my demos and see what it sounds like.
That's amazing. I'm impressed. And you guys have another 3 weeks to perfect them. So this is a long process. You don't, as you know, you don't have to have it perfect today. I know, Maddie, you're like every other freshman. It felt intimidating an hour ago. You're like, oh, well, I don't have my life together as much as maybe my older brother does. But then it started to feel like, wait, I do have a lot. Yeah, I'm missing a few photos, but in the next few weeks, as I volunteer, I'll take some photos. Mm-hmm. You started your framework, and now we're going to build it up. So, Gina, what would you tell other families that are on the fence about this? Well, I don't know if freshman's the right fit. What do you think?
I would say this is absolutely worth the investment. There is no way I would have known how to do any of this. And it's just really helping already. I mean, this is the second time we met. It was just a couple of days ago we met the first time. And already it's helping Sam and Maddie recognize, first of all, the amazing things that they have done and what they can share about themselves. And it's helping them focus on, hey, these are things I want to think about doing in the future, the positive things that I want to think about including and doing and having as part of my life in the future. And I think that that's just really exciting to see as a parent.
That's amazing. Now, for both of you, as you know, and everybody that's watching, your Instagram is an extension of this. So what you're doing on your site is awesome, vibrant, but then on Instagram, you can be a little self-deprecating and silly, and that's going to be an extension. Now that we've branded you and you know your messaging, right? A senior thesis, research science, all these cool things, music. Now you have a clear messaging, a purpose, if you will, on Instagram. So you can go off and keep that in mind so that, because colleges are going to find both. And now you've got that base, which is exciting. Thank you to your family. This has been a lot of fun.
Thank you so much, Josh. Have a
Thanks,
good night.
guys. The rest of you watching this, you can learn more at smartsocial.com. Set up a consultation with us. We're honored to help your family put their best foot forward so that they can shine online. We'll see you guys soon.